everybody, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today was so much better than yesterday times a million, so I'm really happy to announce that. So anyways, this was the video from yesterday, but I wanted to give you guys a visual of what I worked on. I went back up into the mental hospital place again. Had to go up there for a little bit to change a few things. Had to do fire caulking on the giant hole on the left, which you will see here in a moment. Well, someone stuffed a muffin in there. I think it was Steven, at like those giant red things down there that we call those muffins. So Steven stuck a muffin in there, and I finished it off with a little bit more fire caulking to seal it up better, and then also put a giant fireball into the giant hole below as well. So there's two holes kind of back to back right here. So I finished all the fire caulking for today. And then after that, we went ahead and changed a few settings on the door mags itself. Had to switch a dial, and also had to change one of the wires from, I think, normally closed to normally open. So you'll see that also in a second. I don't know why this video clip is so slow and long. But anyways, went ahead up here, and then also in this box right here with the power, went ahead and tested out the door magnet. Everything was working good after we finished. Like I said, we had to change a few things. So we landed the power on the black and red, or we landed the black and red on the positive and negative, and then we also tested out the normally open and normally closed. So I'll talk more about that in a second. But anyways, someone put the card reader in, which is kind of pointless because there's no wire. Here is the door mag itself, which we switched the green wire from 5 to 4. Tested out the power, and one of the fuses that was inside of the power box was bad. As you can see, the one on the right, those are the fuses, the little black knobs on the right, that was the bad one. So I went ahead and switched that out, got the power up there, 27 volts, through the access hatch again in the containment cart. So got all that stuff figured out. And then from there, after that, went ahead downstairs and started a different project, which is landing some, adding some panels onto the wall. And I tapped out of this 411 box, so I 90'd out and kicked the 90 and then just 45-45 to the wall. So I made a 90 with 45-45 because there's a rack up there. I couldn't match the height coming out of the top of the box. So 45-45 to get the height that I needed. And then all I got going down the wall so far is just a straight piece of pipe. So all I have to do tomorrow is do like a little box offset, use a LB to 90 in the side of this hole right here. You'll see it here more in a second. Anyways, you'll see that. So these are the panels that I mounted, the Hirsch panel, and then this other panel. I believe these are for the door locks and stuff like that. I'm not sure. That's just my best guess because there's a whole bunch of banana cable above it. I went ahead and did a 3/4 offset nipple. I'm not sure if that's the correct term. Offset chase or whatever you want to call it. And I put 4 screws in each of these boxes, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And that was pretty much it. That is the rest of my day. There's the banana cable up there. So I just have to pipe from there down there about another foot or less. So there's my hole. And then I'm just going to LB right into the side of it. All right, everybody, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video, and I'd appreciate the support. Anyways, that's going to do it. Today was so much better than yesterday, and a great bounce back from yesterday's not fun activities. Anyways, that's going to do it. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.